Hello everyone, we are back with my SSD, turning it into a multi-boot tool, like having multiple operating systems, some repair tools, etc. We are using Ventoy as my thing. I went blank, but all you gotta go is Ventoy website, type in Ventoy, and it should be the first one that pops up. The one that says Ventoy.net download. And once you're on this website, it'll bring you to this page. You want to go download. I usually download my stuff through this link down here. You can do it from up here, but I just prefer this way. It saves a little bit of bandwidth. Go to the latest one by clicking this, or you can always click this big green button. And once it brings you into this folder, you'll want to find the one for your operating system. For me, it's going to be Windows. I'll click that, and I'll wait for this timer, and Ventoy will start installing just like this. And we'll have this file over here with the zipper. You'll want to right click it and extract all, and put wherever you can find it, which for me I'll put it back into the downloads folder, and it'll open this folder right here. Once that gets extracted, I'll open this, find the Ventoy to disk option, open that, yes, and make sure you'll have your USB stick or whatever you're using plugged in. It should detect the one that you're using automatically, but if it doesn't, click this drop down arrow and click the other options if you have any other ones, in case you have multiple USBs plugged in. Then you'll hit this install button, and it'll ask you, do you want to do it, and you'll hit yes twice. Because it's going to remind you that it will be formatted, so you'll lose all your data. You'll hit yes, and it's going to say double checking that all data will be lost, and you'll want to hit yes again, and you'll just sit here and wait, and there we go. Ventoy has been installed to this, so it'll make two partitions, one to store your ISOs and one basically just for Ventoy. And I got a couple ISOs to test it on, so we'll click this one and this one. Oh, fine, I'll just drag them one at a time. We'll bring that one over, then we'll bring this one over. And once you click this, there's your ISOs. I'm going to change this around. This ain't the final project. But then you'll restart. And once you click this, there's your ISOs. I'm going to change this around. This ain't the final project. But then you'll restart your computer, go to your boot menu if you know how to do that, and you'll follow the steps. Some of these operating systems will say Windows 11, so you can see what it's all about before you actually install it. But don't rely on that, because some of them will have the try option. It depends on the operating system. But that's how you'll install operating systems tools. Just make sure you have the ISO and move it over to the USB as soon as you get Ventoy installed, and that's all that is required. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye. And I forgot to show you a few things before I end. Here's how you get some ISOs. We're using Windows 11 for example. but there's other operating systems out there that you can install. For Windows 11, we want to go down to download Windows 11 disk image ISO. We would want to click Windows 11, download. It says select a product, which is for us is the language and region. For us, it would be English US or English International, depending which one you have. Continue. Then we would click 64-bit download. Once that, and it'll start downloading. And that's all that you need to do. Because once it's downloaded, it'll come over to your downloads folder right here. And that's where you would move it from. Okay. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Goodbye.